We're looking at number 8. Number 8 says the graph of the derivative of f is shown in the figure above. So notice, that's the key word. Please underline this. The graph of the derivative. This is f prime. This is not f. This is f prime. Which of the following could be the graph of f? So if we remember here, because this is f prime, clearly f prime is above 0. So here f prime is greater than 0 because it's above the x-axis. And here f prime is less than 0 because it's below. So if you remember, greater than 0 means increasing. Less than 0 means decreasing. So I want a graph that does that here. So now we're going to basically figure out what f is doing. So we want to find the graph of f here. So I want to make a graph of f of x. So what is f of x doing? Looks like from negative infinity to negative 2, it is below, so it is decreasing. So it's going down. So f of x is like going, so you don't know where. Maybe it's going down here, maybe it's going, so I'm just going to say, okay, it's, let me do it like to here. It's decreasing to here because it's less. And then from negative 2 to 2, it is, f prime is greater than 0, which means it's increasing. So from negative 2 to 2, it starts to increase. Here, let me draw 2 here. So increase to here. Now, notice, the height could have been anywhere. You could have started, you could have done this here. That would have been fine. It doesn't matter, okay? But then you're going to compare your graph down here just to check it out. And then you're going to say, all right, cool. After 2, it looks like f prime is again less than 0. So after 2, it starts to decrease because it's below here. See how the graph goes below? So it goes below. So the other one could look like this. So basically, you want to look for something like this, right? All right. So A is clearly wrong because it doesn't look like our graph, right? Also, A is wrong because the slope here is always positive. Here, f prime is always positive, and that's not the case here. So A is clearly wrong. B is clearly wrong because here the slope is always negative, and that's not the case up here. Here, this looks similar to our picture, but it's kind of reversed, right? So that is not what we drew. D is also incorrect, although it's close to it, and you can clearly see the answer based on our picture is going to be E. So it's choice E.